So you won't have your problem of your finger going numb.
That's a homicide. Backwoods, so it's all good. Let it see you make it taste good. Shawty classy with a freaky side. Real one make you boss up. Down bad I can call her. Ooh yeah. Sex so good might get a Birkin. She deserve it.
It's your girl, Queen Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. So you know what, I start getting really the nails I put back on. So I was like, let me do my nails for you guys because y'all love my nails and want to know where I get my nails and how do I put my press ons and how long do they stay, and I think there's other questions you ask me. So yeah, but before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with a friend and a family member. If you want to see this wig installment, it'll be up in the icons. I'm gonna be looking up. I'm gonna be reading stuff off of my phone, so that's why I'm looking down at my phone. So let's go to the first topic. The first little question that I get. The name of her Etsy store is Jesus I Trust in You Co. Right here. So I saw her nails, and I'm gonna put screenshots of her nails. She doesn't know I'm making this YouTube video. Nothing. So she's the first ever press-on nails that I have tried. Before that, I had acrylic. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you the sets I had. I'm gonna show you a couple of her sets on the screen, and I was like, oh my god, these are some mad cute nails. So I ordered my first set, and oh my god, I fell in love, y'all. The quality, these are durable nails, right? So just to make sure you get her sizing kit. Like, that's the best thing she ever did, put that sizing kit on her chart, because now you can order the sizing kit, test out this, make sure your nails fit you, so you won't have your problem of your finger going numb. So I ordered these yellow set, right? Love them, but the only thing is, do not, okay, I don't want to say do not, because you can do whatever you want, but when you are buying acrylics, make sure you get the size kit, one, and two, do not use them freaking stickers, okay? Because them stickers messed up my set. I put the sticker on my nail, I buffed them, filed them, put them on my nail, and it's stuck to the back of the nail. So it's not stuck on my real finger, but it's stuck on the actual acrylic, the nail, and now I can't like pull it off. So if I try to put the yellow set down, it looks like a gap. It's like this nasty little gap, and I can't pull that sticker off. So I would just use glue. And if you're gonna use glue, I will use the Kiss Speed glue. I think that's the name. I'll put the picture here. Yeah. And make sure you are getting your correct size. I'd rather get the size kit or go up a size. Now I go up a size on a like my pinky finger. I go up a size and now just file it down so it can fit comfortably, because you don't want your fingers going up. Okay, that's like the main thing I can tell you. And it's not her fault, but just make sure when you're measuring or you're getting size the kit, check, double check, triple check, quadruple check, and then size up. I think these are very affordable press-on nails. You can have these press-ons for forever, but they do break and they do crack. They break like acrylics will break. Like, I dropped one, popped off, and I put it on my little nightstand. I was reaching for my phone, and I guess I pushed the nail off my nightstand, and then when I woke up the next day, I accidentally stepped on it and it broke. So yeah, but you can always like order a replacement, and her replacement nails, yeah, for one replacement nail is only $5, and she does all of these designs by hand. So this is really good. Like, I really do love her store. I do want to try some other, if you have any black owned businesses who sell bomb long for dual press on nails? Let me know in the comment section below, because I do want to shop some black. I don't think she's black, this owner. I don't think she's black. So I do want to support some black owned businesses. I do want to get some more sets from her. But if you give me a bomb black nail tech that does some bomb press ons and has some bomb customer service, because customer service is key to any business, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I think that is it for my if you want to see me install these nails to look like acrylic, like you just went to the nail salon, stay tuned. But before we get into the putting the nails on, don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Follow me on all my social media platforms, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. But don't leave. Go watch the installation. Our child, I get these nails so natural. Don't leave. Bye.
These are all the items you're gonna need. This is a nail buffer, a wooden cuticle pusher. You could use a metal one if you would like. A nail file, cotton pads, a nail cutter, and some alcohol because I don't have a nail dehydrator. So I just use alcohol to absorb all my natural oils that are on my nail. And this is the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. And of course, finally, you're gonna need your press-on nails.
They like the way I do it, 'cause I don't ever sleep until the morning.
So I'm just pouring the alcohol onto the cotton pad, and I'm going to be wiping that alcohol onto my nail bed just to absorb any oil that is on my nail bed, so that our nail won't be lifting. So now I'm just cutting any hangnails and just fixing up my nails. And I don't really have extremely long nails, so I'm just using a nail cutter as a cuticle cutter, basically cutting any hangnails that I'm having, or to just fix the shape of my nail. And now I'm just using the nail file, just fixing the shape of my nails. And
please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key, 'cause I've got to pay my bills. Work. See me happy, work.
And now I'm just using this nail buffer, and I am basically roughing up my nail bed so that I can apply the glue and the nail on, because your nail stays on a longer time when your nail bed is absorbed of any oil and it is basically buffed and not a very smooth surface. Your nail just stays on so much better.
Don't know why you're talking like you know me, just because I'm trying to get.
So now I'm just using this cuticle pusher. This does not hurt, but I'm just using this cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles, so when I apply the nail, it just slides right underneath that cuticle and it looks so much more natural.
See me happy, work. See me doing dirt. Taught me better work. When you I gotta learn. I'm in the cafe, my ta. They like the way I do it. Everybody knows I keep it moving. They like the way I do it, 'cause I don't ever sleep until the morning.
So now our nail beds are prepped, and now I am just measuring my pinky, and I saw that the pinky did not quite fit. It was a little large, so you saw what I did. I just fell down and made it fit. because like I said before, it's easier to go up a size. Then you can file down the edges, file down the sides just like a regular acrylic, and file down your nail to make it fit, to have a better fit. That's all I'm doing, and I'm going to add a little dot of glue, and then I'm going to hold on the nail for about 30 seconds to a minute or two, and just firmly holding it down to make sure she's nice and secure. So I'm just going to be doing that to all of my nails, and I'm just going to let this play out.
Talking like you know me, just because I'm trying to get that work in. Looking at your face, I know it's hurting, but you don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key, cause I've got to pay my bills. And work. See me happy, work. See me doing dirt. Stop me better, work. When you I gotta learn. I'm in the cafe, my ta. They like the way you do it. Everybody knows I keep it moving. They like the way you do it, cause I don't ever sleep until the morning. To wanna end up losing, my eyes on the bottom, now I'm shooting. They like the way I do it, oh do it. Say me happy, work. Say me do it, work. I've got to pay my bills. And work. See me happy, work. See me doing dirt. Stop me better, work. You know me, just because I'm trying to get that work in. Looking at your face, I know it's hurting, but you don't pay my bills. Please don't ever try and get too cozy. Please don't try and act like I don't notice. Sorry, I've been trying to keep it low key, cause I've got to pay my bills. And work. See me happy, work. See me doing dirt. Stop me better, work. When you I gotta learn. I'm in the cafe, my ta. They like the way you do.
Oh my god, my nails are super duper cute. I am in love. So all I'm doing is taking Queen Cierra Boutique's Whip Body Butter in the scent Vanilla, and I am empty, so I need to make myself some more. If you want to go shop my amazing body butter, you can, in a link in the description box below. But yes, I'm using that as hand lotion because my hands are very ashy, and cuticle oil for my nail beds to hydrate my hands and to moisturize them. So yeah, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms, and I will see you babes in the next video. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.
Don't know why you're talking like you know me. Just because I'm trying to get that work in. Looking at your face, I know it's hurting.